Hi, my name is Jamie and I love doing rocketry. In this channel, we will be talking about the design and build of high-performance rockets. We will also be covering cool sciencey topics. It has been a long and exciting journey to attain high-power rocketry Level 1 certification. I started when I was 9 years old, and it was a learning curve that required dedication. We'll cover off how I got there and some of the challenges along the way. Imagine what it's like pressing the launch button after months of designing and building a carbon fiber rocket. Have a great day and see you in the next video.